So friends, today we are going to discuss the next portion of the previous question paper. You can watch the previous videos from playlist, and if you are watching without subscribing, please do subscribe the channel, turn on bell button, then only you will get the notifications on time. If you are using mobile phone to watch this video, it's better to view in a landscape mode. Let us start. Streptobacillus moniliforms causes option A Haverhill fever, option B pneumonia, option C meningitis, option D Brazilian purpuric fever. Streptobacillus moniliformis, which can cause Haverhill fever. Haverhill fever is a condition which is caused by rat bite or contaminated milk, and it is caused by Streptobacillus moniliformis. Next question. Example of motile gram-positive bacillus. Option A anthrax bacillus, option B Clostridium perfringens, option C Clostridium tetani, option D Clostridium septicum. Which of the following is a motile gram-positive bacilli? Right answer is option D Clostridium septicum. Next question. Friedlander's bacillus is option A Klebsiella pneumonia, option B Mycobacterium tuberculosis, option C Salmonella typhi, option D Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Who described Friedlander's bacillus? Friedlander or Carl Friedlander is a scientist who first described Klebsiella pneumoniae. So the right answer is option A. Klebsiella pneumoniae is the Friedlander's bacillus. Next question. Example of transport media. Option A McLeod's medium, option B DCA or deoxycholate agar, option C Stewart's medium, option D McConkie medium. Which one of the following is a transport media? The right answer is option C Stewart's medium. Stewart's transport medium is used for transporting Neisseria and other fastidious organisms. Next question. Reynolds broad phenomenon is related to option A Candida tropicalis, option B Candida krusei, option C Candida pseudotropicalis, option D Candida albicans. Reynolds broad phenomenon, it is the formation of germ tube, and germ tube test is done to distinguish between Candida albicans from the other species of Candida. So the right answer is option C Candida albicans. Reynolds broad phenomenon is associated with Candida albicans. Next one. Aflatoxin is produced by option A Rhizopus, option B Aspergillus fumigatus, option C Aspergillus flavus, option D Histoplasma capsulatum. Aflatoxin is a fungal toxin. It is produced by Aspergillus flavus. Aflatoxin is produced by Aspergillus flavus. Then next question. South American blastomycosis is option A histoplasmosis, option B paracoccidioidomycosis, option C cryptococcosis, option D coccidioidomycosis. What is South American blastomycosis? Paracoccidioidomycosis. South American blastomycosis is also known as paracoccidioidomycosis. Right answer is option B. Next question. Ringworm of the foot is option A Tinea corporis, option B Tinea cruris, option C Tinea capitatis, option D Tinea pedis. Ringworm of the foot is option D Tinea pedis. Ringworm of the foot is Tinea pedis or athlete's foot. The other name of Tinea pedis is athlete's foot. Next question. Torullosis is caused by option A Cryptococcus neoformans, option B Blastomyces dermatitidis, option C Paracoccidioides brasiliensis, option D Coccidioides immitis. These questions are taken from mycology. Torullosis is caused by Torullosis is a condition which is caused by a fungus. The answer is Cryptococcus neoformans. Next question. Saprodes dextrose agar does not contain option A dextrose, option B peptone, option C agar, option D yeast extract. Saprode dextrose agar does not contain which of the following does not contain in SDA? Here dextrose, peptone and agar are the contents of saprode dextrose agar. Yeast extract is not. So the right answer is option D, yeast extract. Next question, causative agent of shipyard eye. Herpes virus, echovirus, adenovirus, arbovirus. The right answer is option C, adenovirus. Shipyard eye is caused by adenovirus. Now we are going through virology part. Infectious hepatitis is option A type B hepatitis, option B type A hepatitis, option C type C hepatitis, option D type D hepatitis. The right answer is option B type A hepatitis, or hepatitis A is called infectious hepatitis. Next question. HIV belongs to the family option A herpes virus, option B flavivirus, option C parvovirus, option D retrovirus. The right answer is option D retrovirus. HIV belongs to the family retrovirus. Next question. Example of DNA virus. Option A adenovirus, option B retrovirus, option C coronavirus, option D picornavirus. Which of the following is an example of DNA virus? See, here retrovirus, coronavirus and picornavirus are RNA viruses. The question is to find out the DNA virus. Here the DNA virus is adenovirus. Next question. Inclusion bodies seen in case of fowl pox. Option A Lipchitz bodies, option B Guarneri bodies, option C molluscum bodies, option D Bollinger bodies. Which of the following inclusion bodies can be seen in case of fowl pox? The inclusion body found in fowl pox is Bollinger bodies, and fowl pox is caused by Poxviridae family. Next question. Tisane cells seen in microscopic examination of the lesion in case of infection with option A pox virus, option B herpes virus, option C mumps virus, option D toga virus. Tisane's cells are seen in microscopic examination of lesion with herpes virus. The right answer is option B herpes virus. Herpes virus forms Tisane cells in microscopic examination. Next question. The main component of glass is, now we are coming through the biochemistry part. The main component of glass is option A silicon trioxide, option B silicon dioxide, option C sodium dioxide, option D calcium silicate. The right answer is option B silicon dioxide. The main component of glass is silicon dioxide. Which acid is used in the preparation of chromic acid? Option A HCl, option B H2SO4, option C nitric acid, option D acetic acid. The right answer is option B sulfuric acid or H2SO4. Chromic acid cleaning solution is prepared by water, sulfuric acid and potassium dichromate. So the right answer is option B sulfuric acid. Next one. Needle stick injury belongs to option A physical hazard, option B chemical hazard, option C biological hazard, option D electric hazard. The right answer is option C biological hazard. Next question. Picric acid is stored. Picric acid. Picric acid is stored in closed cabinet, underwater, crack-proof containers or at ground level. Which of the following is the right answer? Picric acid is an explosive chemical, so it should be stored under water. The right answer is option B. Underwater. Next question. Still is used for the preparation of. Still is an equipment and it is used for the preparation of options. Option A, reagents. Option B, distilled water. Option C, acids. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D. Option B, distilled water. Water still is used for the preparation of distilled water. Next one. Unit of luminous intensity is option A, ampere. Option B, candela. Option C, Kelvin. Option D, mole. Which of the following is the unit of luminous intensity? The right answer is option B, candela. Unit of luminous intensity is candela. Next question. Gram equivalent weight of a solute in a liter of solution is termed as option A, molar solution. Option B, normal solution. Option C, percent solution. Option D, molal solution. Equivalent weight of a solute in a liter of solution. The right answer is molar solution. Option A, molar solution is the gram equivalent weight of solute in a liter of solution. Next question. Suitable anticoagulant for blood gas analysis. Option A, EDTA. Option B, sodium citrate. Option C, heparin. Option D, double oxalate. Suitable anticoagulant for blood gas analysis. The right answer is option C, heparin. Heparin is the suitable anticoagulant for blood gas analysis. Next question. Grey colored vacutainer tube stopper indicate which anticoagulant? Option A, EDTA. Option B, heparin. Option C, sodium fluoride potassium oxalate. Option D, citrate. The right answer is option C, sodium fluoride potassium oxalate mixture, which is used for sugar estimation. Next question. For the determination of electrolyte concentration, the instrument used is option A, fluorimeter. Option B, flame photometer. Option C, spectrophotometer. Option D, luminometer. Electrolyte concentrations like sodium, potassium, bicarbonate, etc. can be detected using flame photometer. So, the determination of electrolyte concentration is by flame photometer. Next question. Which of the following radioactive isotope is used to measure the activity of thyroid gland? Radioactive isotope for thyroid gland activity. Cobalt 60, carbon 14, iodine 131, sodium 24. The right answer is option C, iodine 131. Next question. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is always known as HH equation. The options are option A, pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of base by concentration of acid. Option B, pH is equal to pKa minus log into concentration of base divided by concentration of acid. Option C, pH is equal to pKa into log concentration of acid by concentration of base. Option D, none of these. The right answer is option A, pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of base divided by concentration of acid. pH is equal to pKa. pKa is a constant plus log concentration of base divided by concentration of acid. Next question. pH of plasma is option A, 6.8 to 8.4. Option B, 7.3 to 7.4. Option C, 5.8 to 6.2. Option D, 7.1 to 7.9. The right answer is option B, 7.3 to 7.4. Next one. In thin layer chromatography, the stationary phase is option A, paper. Option B, cellulose. Option C, resins. Option D, gas. Which of the following is used as stationary phase in thin layer chromatography? Right answer is option B, cellulose. Cellulose is used as stationary phase in thin layer chromatography. Next question. The electrostatic interaction between charged proteins and matrix involved in option A, thin layer chromatography, option B, ion exchange chromatography, option C, molecular sieving chromatography, option D, none of these. Electrostatic interaction between charged proteins and matrix, which is associated with ion exchange chromatography. The right answer is ion exchange chromatography. Next question. In dry chemistry analyzers, the reaction is measured by option A, flame photometry, option B, colosimetry, option C, reflectance spectrophotometry, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option C, reflectance spectrophotometry. In dry chemistry analyzers, the reaction is measured by reflectance spectrophotometry. So friends, today we are winding up. You can watch the previous videos from playlist, and if you are watching without subscribing, please do subscribe the channel and turn on bell button to get the notifications on time. Thank you.